This is Aditya again, and today we will learn about pointers. But before pointers, you need to understand how data type and variable store in memory. That's called RAM. And computer allocates some amount of memory to the variable. That is totally dependent on data type and compiler. Here you can just access the memory and manipulate the addresses, and you get it right. How much memory they want. And now the question came, can we know the address? Can we operate the memory address? Can we do some manipulation in memory addresses? Hell yeah, that's why we are learning pointers. Pointers are the variable that stores the address of other variable. And the general form of declaration is type, asterisk sign, and the variable declaration. How simple is it? Isn't? Yeah, is it? Here you can just access the memory and manipulate the addresses. That's what's the difference between a variable and a pointer. A pointer holds the addresses and a variable holds a value. Now let's talk about address of operator. That can be simply preceding by the variable name with an ampersand sign. Just like this. Just like here. And here we assign 88 in the number that's type of int. And that's we declare a pointer variable called p number pointing to an int or an int pointer. You can see here easily. And that's assign the address of the variable number to the pointer number. This is the variable number and that's the pointer number. And always remember, this ampersand sign always used in the RHS. Remember that. Have you ever listened dereferencing operator? Yeah, pointer are set to point to that value where the address is stored. And this is very interesting value of pointer that can be used to access the variable that they point to directly. Operator can be read as value pointed to y. And you also call this indirection operator. This operator operate on a pointer and return the value stored in address kept in pointer variable. And a pointer is associated with a type, and that is specified at the time of declaration. Pointers can hold the address of declaration type but cannot hold the address of any type. Want to dry run? Dry run is always a better option. For a better understanding, let's dry run a program.
Let's do some dry run. Let's start from this line. Here we declare an int variable and assign an initial value. In this line, declare a pointer variable pointing to an int number. And here we assign the address of variable number to the pointer number. And here we print the content of p number. I think the output should be of just like an address. Here also we print the address of the number, and the value of this one and this one should be same because the address of number is assigned in p number, and so the value are also the same. And here we print the value of pointed to by the p number. Here we pointed this, means this is pointed to this number, and so it contains this number. I think the address of this line will be 88, and in this line this is the value of the number, and you get it. The simple value of the number is 88, right? And here this is dereferencing of operator, and here we print content of p number, and you guess it right. Here we get the output just like an address. Here also we print the address of a number, and we are checking after reassigning value. Okay, so the address of this and this will be same because p number contains the address of number, and here print the value pointed to by p number. Just like before, it contains 99, and the value of the number is 99 now. And here, do you see this line? This will print the address of pointer variable. Have you enjoyed, guys? That's it. This is a simple dry run of this program. I hope you will be waiting for some solutions. Just check. So these are the solutions. Each number contains same type of address, just like here. Here the address is same. We guessed right. The output of this line is 88, and also of this line, the same one. Here we get this. And now after reassigning the pointer, we get the same address again, just like this. And the value of number assigning by the pointer also gets the same 9999. That's it. And here the address of P number is this. So I hope you enjoy it. Keep it up, guys. Keep cool.
Have you ever listened about uninitialized pointer? An uninitialized pointer, undefined value. It's not a pointer to a specific place, nowhere, or an object. It's just a string. You can't do anything with it. Have you any idea of null pointers? You can initialize it by 0 or null. It points to nothing. And dereferencing of a null pointer can cause an exception. Do you know what is that? Status as an exception. How cool is that? And initialize a pointer to the null during declaration is the good practice of software engineering. And the new version of C++ declare a variable null ptr that represent null pointer, and we will see further more concept of pointers in next videos. Do you know what's the time right now? 3:33 a.m. Yeah, it's the morning and I'm going to sleep. Bye bye. Bye bye.